This is the 2024 Grey Wolf 29NM. And for all my RV weekend warriors out there, this is the perfect family travel trailer for you. This honker's over 18K off MSRP, sitting at a total of $33,988. For qualified buyers, we can get that to you for 275 bones a month. It's going to sleep a total of up to 8 people, has a gross vehicle weight rating of 7,905 pounds, a length of 37 feet 8 inches, gray and black tank capacities of 38 gallons, and a fresh tank capacity of 52 gallons. We got 2 entrances out on this thing, 3 if we count this little half door back here. This one can be used for storage if we're using the bunk room as more of a garage area, great for bikes or kayaks. Around the back you see we got our spare tire rack here for some extra storage, and then up top you got a backup camera already installed and a mount for a ladder. Leash latch down here if you want to bring the doggies along. That sucker will hold up to 1,500 pounds. Under our awning here we got the LED strip. There's 2 outdoor speakers and a spot to mount a TV right between them. Right to our left of that we got the outdoor camp kitchen. Pull out this gray stone grill. Above that you got an ice maker, outdoor shower, and a mini fridge. This is awesome for washing off your dog's muddy paws before you go back in the camper, or if you're camping at the beach, this is super awesome for washing off the sand. Heading inside this sucker, we're going to go in through the rear door. Right away we walk into our living and kitchen area. We're actually going to take a left. There's a door here that's going to go into the old bunk room. Very rear of the camper, we got a nice bunk area. It's actually pretty sweet. There's like a boot dinette here separate for the kids if the kids want to use separate. Both of these couches will jackknife out into a sleeper. Storage for clothes here, we got a TV mount along this wall, hookups around the ceiling. Easily fit 4 to 6 kids in here. If we want more headroom down here, this will actually fold up. You see we got the hinges there. Then we can get rid of that table entirely and turn this all into sleeping. Holy guacamole, now we can fit 2 to 4 down here on the bottom alone. Alright, exiting this back bunk room, we're going to head back up into the living and kitchen area. Right next to that bunk room door, we do actually have storage here. Might as well mention that. Out here, we got a jackknife sofa and then a U-shaped dinette. I love the big old U-shaped dinettes in these. Super great for socializing. And they always convert into sleepers. So this thing here and this thing here will both fold out into beds. Now we got a sleeper here and a sleeper here. Huge drawers under this one. These are super deep. Look at that. Holy smokes. There's one on each side. Across from this, we got our TV area. There's no TV yet. You mount it right there. Again, your hookups are on the ceiling. Below that, you got your sound system that'll hook up to the speakers outside and the ones on the ceiling. Then below that, you have your 30-inch electric Furrion fireplace to keep the vibes nice and cozy. Kitchen area. We got a farmhouse style undermount sink. Detachable faucet makes those dishes real easy to do. Over top the sink, we got a cutting board cover. Underneath that, you got a couple of trays for rinsing. You got your dish drying rack. You got the thing for cleaning out your cups, you know, spray it out like a bartender. I don't know, what is that called? Comment what that thing is called if you know what it's called, because I don't. We got the wired storage cabinets all above this. Very classy. Big fan of the wire for sure. 3 burner gas stove here. Stainless steel microwave air fryer combo. I'm into it. To the left of that, dual swing fridge. I got mixed feelings about these. Sometimes they're cool, sometimes they don't function well. This one seems to be a solid one. I like the style of this one. Feels a lot better built than some of the other ones I've messed around with. We got a smooth open from both sides here. Drawer, freezer, travel locks are built into all of these. Below the fridge, you got your battery disconnect here, so you can power down the entire camper with the flip of one singular switch. To the left of that, you got your fuse box, take care of all your fuse action in there. Next we'll head up to the very front of the camper. We have a pass-through bathroom that'll separate the main bedroom from the living area. We got a foot flush toilet in here, decent vanity. Storage behind our mirror, nothing crazy. Showers right here, pretty standard. Thankfully it's not a corner shower. I'm not a fan of corner showers. This one's got a lot more room. Lastly, we'll go to the very front of the camper. This is our bedroom. Another sliding door to get into here. We got a queen bed, storage all around this thing, mirrored wardrobes. Outlets on either nightstand. You got USB and USB-C ports above those. There's an inverter on that side right next to your second door here. Typical of all these Grey Wolves, we got a bunch of storage underneath the queen bed as well. Here's another mount for a TV. That's the same mount in the living room, outside, and in the bunk room, so you can mix and match TVs wherever, however. And then to the left of the mount, you got all your storage. You got wardrobe space. More down here, nothing crazy. Having multiple doors is very handy for privacy. nice and convenient for getting in and out of this thing. If you got any questions on this sucker, do not hesitate to give us a call. The phone number is right here, as well as the website, putting it right here. We're located in Muskegon, Michigan, 4500 East Apple Avenue. Come say hi. Come check out some of these campers.